Good morning, everybody. It is Monday morning. I don't know if you'll be able to hear my eggs frying in the background, but I want to come on here and probably start a new series. I've always starting new things, but because I want to record what I'm currently doing, here's the newest. I came across some videos on TikTok, and you know when you watch a couple, then TikTok sends you most of the times send you those person's videos all the time. So I got curious. It was a video about a woman who only shops once a month and spends $300, only $300 a month on groceries. I have to take an account, so I said, well, that's interesting. So I started looking around. So I started looking at. I had to take a look at where she was from and her family size. So she has a family of 4. Here in this household, it's a family of 3. But her children are young kids. I would say babies. So 1, 2. Maybe 1. Yeah, I would say 1 and 2. Just looking at 1 and 3. She doesn't put them on camera. She kind of has a glimpse of them. So, and it's her and her husband. So here we have 3 adults. So I had to take that into effect. Not to say that she's not doing it. She also grows some of her food, but her portion sizes would be different than my portion size. So taking to that, my budget is $100 a week, which is $400 a month, and that's also hard to do. So with that said, what I've been trying to do is make things on my own. If I could make it, I would try to make it and just have better alternatives. So not necessarily the budget of $300 and only feeding them certain things, but using other things to cook, just being a little bit more creative. And yeah, so right now I'm preparing my lunch for work. It's an egg sandwich. I'm making bologna because I like bologna, and I'm boiling some broccoli because I'm having leftovers that I've had in the freezer, which was like a Greek chicken and some rice. So I wanted some vegetable on the side, and here's the start of that. So I also took out apples because no one's eating them, and I don't want to throw them away. They're still pretty good. So I'm going to stew these because I will eat that. No one else here will eat that, but I'll stew it with like just some cinnamon, and I can have it over yogurt, or I can just have it by itself. So later today I'm going to be doing that. So I thought I'd just jump on here and introduce this new series. So it is just, I don't have a name yet, but it is ways to help you save money and keeping your budget realistically for you.